Good day to you all. Today, we would like to present to you our research project with the title The Making of Object Recognition Glasses for the Visually Impaired Using ImageAI. In a nutshell, this study aims to create object recognition glasses using ImageAI that can be used by the visually impaired people in order to help them navigate their day-to-day lives with the challenges and hardships that they may face by receiving an audio output that tells the name of the object or objects in front of them. For this study, the independent variable is ImageAI, which is the specific Python library which is used for object recognition, while the dependent variable is our object recognition glasses itself.
Here are the research questions that we aim to answer as we did our study. The objective of the study is to create object recognition glasses for the impaired out of ImageAI. Specifically, it answers the following questions. First, how accurate is the object recognition glasses in recognizing different objects? Second, what is the maximum distance the object recognition glasses can recognize an object in meters? Third, how long is the time interval of the object recognition glasses between seeing the object and recognizing the object in seconds? And fourth, how long is the time interval of the object recognition glasses between recognizing the object and playing the sound of the name of the object? So how did we get it to work? First, we installed ImageAI, which is responsible for the object's recognition. Then, we installed the text-to-speech feature in which the program speaks upon identification of the object. We took the ESP32 cam and plugged it to the ESP programmer. We programmed it using Arduino IDE and made it wireless by plugging it to our final circuit. Finally, we connected it to the glass frame, therefore finishing the product.
Here is the schematic diagram and circuit diagram. For the schematic diagram, you can see the ESP32 camera, which is placed on the middle of the glasses on top of where the nose bridge is on. It is facing outwards so that the camera sees what the person is facing or seeing. The camera is connected to the switch that turns the circuit on and off, and it is connected to the charging board, which charges the battery. The circuit diagram, on the other hand, shows the circuit in a much more clearer detail.
This part contains the results and interpretation of data gathered by the researchers during the testing of the product. To get started, Table 1 shows the accuracy of the object recognition glasses in identifying different objects. Each trial comprises 5 sample objects in various types and colors: bottles, potted plants, cups, bicycles, and keyboards. The object recognition glasses accurately perceived all the sample objects, which resulted in all of the samples being marked as yes and a high percentage of success rate.
Table 2 shows the maximum distance at which object recognition glasses can recognize an object in meters. It was tested with a measuring tape, which measures distances ranging from 10 meters to 45 meters, and it obtained clear findings in identifying the individual in front of the glasses.
Table 3 shows the time duration from seeing to recognizing the object using a stopwatch. In the first trial, the camera recognized a pair of scissors with a delay of 1.83 seconds, 1.58 seconds for the second trial, and lastly, the third trial was recognized for 1.41 seconds, with the overall average of 1.61 seconds.
Table 4 shows the 3 different trials in obtaining the time interval from recognizing to playing the sound of the object using a stopwatch. 3 trials were conducted for the credibility of data, and the average was taken by dividing the summation of all values by 3. In the first trial, it took an average of 0.66 seconds. In the second trial, it took an average of 0.68 seconds, and in the third trial, it took an average of 0.56 seconds.
In conclusion, after compiling different results, the object recognition glasses can detect various objects effectively, showed great clarity in identifying, and speed and swiftness in the time interval of recognizing objects and playing the object's name. As per the recommendations, the future researchers recommended integrating more detectors, expanding the distance the object recognition glasses can cover, utilizing a phone instead of a laptop, having a stronger Wi-Fi connection, and lastly, recognizing more objects. That is all, and thank you for listening to our presentation.